Egads, a vintage exclamation. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into a fun and somewhat old-fashioned English exclamation, Egads. Have you ever come across it? Let's unravel its meaning and when to use it. Egads is a mild exclamation of surprise or shock. It's like a vintage way of saying, "Oh no," or "Wow." The phrase comes from a shortening of the expression, "Oh God." Historically, it was used as a way to avoid taking the Lord's name in vain, a concern for many religious folks in the past. Over time, it became a playful or theatrical expression. Though "egads" is not commonly used in everyday modern English, you might encounter it in 1. Historical novels or movies, to give an authentic flavor of the past. 2. Theatrical performances, especially those with a dramatic or comedic nature. 3. Comic strips or books, to convey a character's humorous surprise. Imagine walking into a room expecting it to be empty, but finding it filled with balloons. An appropriate reaction might be, "Egads. Who filled the room with balloons?" Or if you're reading a mystery novel set in the 1920s and the detective discovers an unexpected clue, he might exclaim, "Egads." This changes everything. In today's English, there are various expressions that convey surprise or shock. While "egads" sounds old-fashioned, here are some modern equivalents. "Oh my gosh," "Wow," "Yikes." If you're aiming for a more casual tone, you might even say, "Whoa, OMG." There you have it. Egads is a charming exclamation from yesteryears, a delightful way to express surprise without being too serious. While you might not use it in everyday conversations, it's a fun phrase to know, especially if you're into classic literature or movies. We hope you enjoyed learning about this quirky expression. Until next time, keep exploring the vast and fascinating world of the English language.